I'm not saying it to be with them. I understand where it's coming from. I understand that when a person grows with no love, he gets choked. Because love is oxygen, and you need it. And if you don't get it, you choked. And when a person's choked, he takes everything that moves. I was a lifeguard before the army. They used to tell us when somebody's drowning, in the last 10 seconds, his adrenaline is so high, he needs oxygen. When you come to save him, he's going to drown with you. He doesn't see. So I asked them, but I'm coming to save him. He says he doesn't see anything. He just wants to live.
Wants to grab, yeah.
Yeah, because there's a technique what to do. But the idea is the same thing today. People are craving for love. They're normal for craving for love. And they take everything that comes. Drugs, psychedelics, ayahuasca. Give me a break. Everything's inside you. All the happiness, the love, the koyach is inside you. You got to go through maybe a painful process. Agreed. What do you prefer? Ignoring the pain? Numbing it down with drugs and parties? It's going to crash into you.
Me as a frum born and raised, I just want to sum it up that what I learned is the less you look outside, the more rich and solid and stable and meaningful and healthy and helpful and exciting and love is at home. And it's much more than you can ever get outside. And even when you do get something outside, you don't get anything there. You stay with nothing.